Here's the Greek coffee speed run. 4 ounces of water. Try not to spill any. 1 teaspoon level-ish of sugar. And I like to use 1 level pressed, so not fluffy, teaspoon of Greek coffee per ounce of water. 3 might be fine for you, or if you like really strong coffee, you can go 5, even 6. At some point, you're going to have a hard time dissolving the Greek coffee in the water. I'm just giving this a quick little stir. Warm water is fine. I think that's fine. You can always just heat the coffee and the water on the element and just let nature take its course. It will dissolve fairly quickly. Give the briki a little swirl, and that should be good enough. I like to stir it though. But that's the only time that you're going to be manipulating the coffee from here on. We just brew it. We boil the coffee in water. We don't stir it. We don't shake it up. We don't do anything else. And here we are at 5 times speed. Tap, 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 tap. And I'm just moving the briki around on the element. You can see where the briki was. The element is darker because it's not quite as hot. And once the surface starts to change color, you'll see a little bit of a shimmer, a little bit of a ripple, like a volcano about to erupt. That is the point right before the coffee starts to froth up. When the coffee froths up, that's when the crema develops, the gaimaki, and that's the best part of Greek coffee, aside from it being Greek. So here I'm just lifting the briki from the element to control how quickly it's starting to boil. You don't want it to come to a full boil, but you do want the coffee to foam up without overflowing. And this is as good as I think I should get. I'm playing with fire into my super cute little demi-tasse. This holds about 5 ounces. So we have a fair bit of crema on top. The sludge that's left in the briki, don't try to use every last bit of it because it's very sludgerific. Remember, this is not filtered coffee. I highly recommend you let your coffee sit completely undisturbed for at least a minute and then just serve it with some cold water on the side. That's it. Hope you learned something. Try this. It's fun. Opa!